Hi everybody, this is Katya and you're at my community page which is called Alien Spot, and I welcome you. And today I'm gonna give you another piece of my advice regarding how to use English in everyday life. And today we will talk about two words, help and help out. What's the difference between them? Because basically it's just one word, and the other one is one word and some other word, which is not important as you might think. But they both of those meanings have a difference. When you say help, when you, for example, ask for a help and you say please help me, you say it and use it in some kind of not urgent situation. For example, if you need small help, for example, you need to help you to cross the road, you need to help to carry your bags or some other stuff. And but actually you can do without it, without this help, but to get this help will be much easier for you. So, but when you say help out, please help me out here, it's sort of like crying out for help, because you are now in difficult situation of some sort. For example, you have your leg stuck in some kind of trap, or you have a burning house. You say help me out here, like urgently, this instant, now, please, I can't do without you. So, but also it not necessarily have to be this kind of situation, for example, burning or injuring. It could be just a typical situation in your life, but it has some kind of time limits, and it has some kind of messiness in it, if you can say so. For example, you have to do your homework. And you have to pass it in a couple of hours, and you have to give it to your teacher so he or she could check it out. But you can't do it. You can't, because you didn't prepare yourself enough, you don't know, you didn't attend the class, or it could be any kind of reason, but you can't do it. So you are already stuck with it. You can't do it, you can't go any further. So you, in this case, you ask for your buddy or maybe your tutor to help you out. Please help me out with this homework, because I can't do it and I have a couple of hours of deadline. So this kind of situation is emergency, it's urgent, so you need to be helped this instant. So that's different. So help is not that emergent, not that urgent and important, but help out is very important and very urgent. I hope I was very helpful for you today. I wish you a very nice evening or day, whichever. And please check out my other videos, and don't forget to like it and to post your comments or write to me via private messages. I'll be happy to help. Bye!